Has anybody heard about bodies being buried inside Hoover Dam? Do you know how many? 0, 0, 0. I'm hearing a lot of zeros. If you think it's other than 0, raise your hand. Wow, we got a lot of people wrong. There's no bodies buried in the dam. We call that a damn rumor. If you took an 8 cubic yard bucket of concrete, you placed into the smallest form, you level it out, it would only raise the level of the form about 4 to 6 inches. So there is no bodies buried in the dam. But they did have men die during the building of this dam. 96 men is the official number that died on site during the 5-year period. This is dying from industrial type accidents.